application of derivative or eta problem loisu yatte questionot koise find the average revenue function and marginal revenue function aru amak dia ase eta total revenue function aru logote koise evaluate them at q equals 2 mane output jetia 2 units hoy tetia average revenue aru marginal revenue kiman hobo uliabo dise so prothomote total revenue function to likhi loisu the total revenue r equals 12q minus q squared so prothomote uliabo dise average revenue function average revenue is equal to total revenue by quantity total revenue function to ketiaba tr bulio dia thakibo pare jodi tr buli dia thake tenahole ami yate tr by q likhibo lagibo so ekhini eta solve koru the r or thait 12q minus q squared divided by q 12q by q 12 minus q squared by q q so eitu is a required average revenue function amak evaluate koribo dise q jetia 2 units hoy therefore at q equals to average revenue kiman hobo je 12 minus q thai 2 bahai dim so average revenue or price kiman palu je 10 rupees ba 10 units of money etia ulian mr function uliale ami ki koru the derivative of total revenue uliao that is total revenue function of differentiate korile ki pam je marginal revenue function pam tr kiman asil je 12q minus q squared 12q derivative kiman hobo 12 minus q squared or derivative 2q so eitu hoise marginal revenue function output jetia 2 units hoy tetia mr kiman hobo the q thait ami 2 bahai dim so mr equals 12 minus 2 into 2 12 minus 4 kiman palu 8 so output jetia 2 units hoy tetia marginal revenue hoy rupees 8 ba 8 units of money so ekhini asil amar required answer video to completely swa babe thank you